Discussion of syllabus of engineering visualization 2021 scheme. So we can see in this engineering visualization we have module 1. So in module 1 we are going to study about the basic things about the commands which we use in the software, and then we use about discuss about projection of points, lines and planes here. So in this first module they have included all which is there in the previous scheme and syllabus. So you can expect in module 1 points, lines and planes, and there is an application on projection of lines and plane that is only for CAA, that means for internal. In module 2 we have projection of solids, complete thing. Okay, so you can see that in this everything it is included. In module 3 we have this is isometric projection, and we have conversion of this simple isometric drawing into orthographic. This is also included newly in the syllabus. And then we have module 4. In module 4 we have development of lateral surface of the solids. Okay, and then there are application of the problems for there, but the problem we should consider only for CIA, that is for internal. And in the module 5 you can see that it is nothing but applications. So we need to see the applications with respect to freehand sketching, drawing simple mechanisms, or it can be electrical wiring and lighting diagrams, basic building diagrams, electronic engineering drawings, graph and charts. Okay, so this is newly added in this 2021 scheme. It is actually not there in the previous scheme. So module 5 we considered only for the CIA, that is for the internal we are going to consider this module 5. Okay, so now you see how the assessment will be done for both CIA and SEC. So both internal and external it is there for 50 marks, that is 50%. And here you can see in the internal at least you should score at least 40%, that is 20 marks you should score in this. And for the SEI you should score 35%, that is 18 marks. Okay, so that's what the thing here. So totally when you take a minimum you should have 40% out of the 100, that is you should have 40 marks out of the 100 when you take collectively. So in the continuous internal evaluation you can see that how it is divided. So we need to conduct a finally one internal, that is for 100 marks, that we are going to reduce it to 50%, that is we consider it for 50 marks. Okay, so here in the syllabus you can see we need to consider all the modules. Okay, module 1, 2, 3 and 4, and how the weightage of marks it is divided, you can see that clearly. So for computer display this time they have given more marks compared to your sketching. Okay, so you can see that for module 1 15, 20 like that, module 3 it is 20, module 4 20, module 5 25 marks. So that means for internal we should consider the questions from all the 5 modules here. Okay, you can see that. And for the external you can see that question paper has to be set for 100, it has to be divided for 50, and the questions we should consider from only the 4 modules. Okay, and sometimes you are not able to do that. You can see in that if you are unable to do the sketching, then also we should give the more marks. Okay, so you can see here. So how the SE will be considered, it is considered only from 4 modules. Module 5 it is there only for your internal. Okay, so you can see how the marks were there and what were the books were recommended. You can see the difference in this CIA and SE. CIA we should consider 5 modules, and SE we should consider module 4, that is module 1 2 3 4. You can see question paper has to be set from the textbooks. Okay, you can see the internal evaluation marks and all.